Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tamron Perkins and today we are doing a hair install. And today's company that I'm working with is Unice Hair. And as y'all can see, here it is. It's already styled, already installed, you know what I'm saying? So you guys, if you want to know how I got this look, make sure y'all keep watching. Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm back with another hair video, and today we are working with Unice Hair from Amazon. Love this company. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So today we have a 14-inch highlighted 13 by 4 lace front wig. And so here's everything that they gave me. You know the rundown. They always give you a wig cap, and sometimes you'll get some goodies, and today I got some lashes and a headband. And here is the beautiful wig. So excited to see how it looks, you guys. The color and the pattern is absolutely amazing. I'm in love with the color, to be honest. It is so pretty. It's like a honey blonde. It's not even honey blonde. It's like a light brown. It's so pretty. And here is the lace front. As you can see, it is already, the knots are already bleached and it is lightly tinted, and I'm so happy about that. Absolutely love it when companies already bleach the knots. And this wig is also pre-plugged, so that's a bonus. So in this video, I'm just gonna let you guys watch it. I do have other videos of me explaining how I install my lace frontals, but in this video I'm just gonna let you guys sit back and enjoy. You can look at it step by step. So yeah, I will come back at the end and give you guys a rundown on this beautiful unit. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end. Bye y'all. Okay, y'all, so I just finished installing this hair. I mean, not installing, but styling. Clearly I done installed, but yeah, I just finished installing this hair, and you guys, look at this. Look at this. This part is cute though. I don't know what happened over here. Should I recurl it? I'll recurl it. But let me give y'all a rundown on this beautiful Unice hair. All right, you guys, so as I said before, this is a Brazilian 40-inch body wave 13x4 lace front wig. Now, of course, y'all know me, I say it all the time, short hair isn't really my style. It's not really my thing, but I know it's many of you girls out there that don't really like to do the 30 inches down to your booty, you know, so you know, the little long hair don't care type vibe. Y'all, some of y'all really like, you know, a short hairdo, you know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to come to you guys with that type of style, and I absolutely love this hair. When I unboxed it, it came out really good, and I really didn't have to do much to this hair, and the shipping was pretty fast. I got it in about probably like well, I have Amazon, I have Prime, so you know Prime comes fast. So my package came in about 2 days, 1 to 2 days, so it came pretty fast. When I was unboxing this hair, the hair was so soft, y'all. It was so soft. There was no tangles. It was hardly any shedding. Honestly, I don't even think there was any shedding. Also, my lace front, I didn't really have to do much to this hair. I honestly didn't really have to pluck it. I didn't have to pluck it that much because it came pre-plucked. And then also my lace front, it came a little bit tinted, but of course I put my makeup on my lace front so it can, you know, blend in with my skin. My knots were bleached and the lace was lightly tinted. And this hair, I mean, this hair didn't really have a smell, but I co-washed the hair after I unboxed it. It's always best to co-wash your hair because you'll get the best results. You'll see the true pattern, and of course, you know, the hair is dirty, so you always want to co-wash your hair before you install it in your head. The quality is so great. And I forgot to tell y'all, the density is 150. This is 150 density. I absolutely love the quality, and my favorite thing about this hair is definitely the highlights. I've had highlighted wigs. I had a brown and blonde highlighted wig, and I liked it, but this is very cute. I like that it's black and it has a little streak of like a brown highlights. I think it's so cute, and I think for many of you girls out there that want to really try color, some of y'all that's really used to doing black hair and you want to dip in the pool and try to get some color in your hair, I think that this is a very good start. You know, it's not too much, so I think this is really cute, especially you girls that's maybe corporate, or maybe you work in a setting where you have to look very, very professional and you can't really have like, you know, outlandish colored hair like orange and red and all that type of stuff, and you really want to try something. I feel like that this is really good for you, and also it is a very good length for many of you girls that like short hair. Of course, me, Tamar, she doesn't really wear short hair. You know, she likes long, down to your booty 30 inches hair. That's just me. But yeah, so I love this hair. If I give it stars, I would definitely give it 5 stars. This is off of first impressions, you know, and I'm being completely honest with you guys, very transparent, not being biased or anything. So yes, you guys, and look at this. Do y'all see how it's just, and it's holding the curls too? Oh my gosh. Imagine if this hair was like 28 inches, 30 inches. Oh my God. So yeah, so let me give you a rundown of the pros and the cons. I don't really have that much cons, y'all. I really don't. Actually, y'all, I don't think I have any cons. I don't. So let me just tell y'all the pros. So the pros is I love the highlights. I definitely love the highlights. I'm not even tripping about how the highlights stop right here and they don't go all the way up there. I love the highlights. I absolutely love the quality of the hair. It has a lot of luster, you know what I mean? I absolutely love that, and I love that I didn't have to do much to this wig. So many of you girls out there that y'all want to try, I feel like this is like a beginner's wig. Some of y'all that want to like try out a wig but you don't really know what to do, I feel like that this wig is very good for that, because I literally did not have to do much to it. I'm not a hairstylist, and so doing wigs is not really my forte. Like, I can do it, but it's not really, you know, the best, you know what I'm saying? I don't really give myself like a 10. I'll give myself like maybe a 7 or an 8. And so I feel like with this, it was very, very easy for me to do. I didn't have to do much because I don't really like to bleach my knots. I don't like to do all that. That's too much. The less I can do, the better, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like many of you girls out there that don't really want to do much to your wig, you wish that it can just come as it is, I feel like this is great for that. So I really highly recommend this wig. I love it. I think honestly my favorite part is the color. I definitely love the color. So yes, you guys, I love this hair. Thank you, Unice Hair, for sending me this wig. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. It is so cute. Let me give you all a different angle. Look at this color, y'all. Do y'all see this color? The color is amazing. Like, oh my gosh, the color is just beautiful. Oh, I wish I had this longer. If I had this in 30 inches, at least 26, 28, or 30, man, oh my gosh. Honestly, I absolutely love it, you know. Okay, you guys, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 500. I need y'all to help me, okay? I need y'all to help me. And also for you guys that be watching me, I just want to say thank you so much. You know what I mean? Thank you for supporting me, watching my videos. I love you guys so much. But yeah, you guys, yeah. And also hit the notification bell. I do be posting videos every week, so yes. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Yeah, and have a great day. Bye, y'all.